Once your car is brought into the shop, it will take anywhere from a couple of hours to a day or so for an estimate to be worked up. After the estimate has been reviewed and approved by the body shop and the insurance adjuster, the repairs will begin. For every 4 hours of work required on the car, it will take 1 day to complete the work. For example, if the estimate requires 16 hours of work, you can expect your car to be in the shop approximately 4 days. Your car may need additional time if they are unable to receive the parts quickly. After you register as a member of carcrashpain.com, just go to the links provided to speak further with a body shop technician.